Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see if there is a problem when you couldn't complete your purchase check. So, if you couldn't complete your purchase, you must check that you have the current country. So, to correct your country, there are some ways you can follow. To make a successful purchase, you can current geo location, and you can connect to your geolocation, and Google Play Store location must be the same. So, there must be a geolocation of your current phone, and the Google Play Store location must be the same. And the second one is if you have a different phone, need to change the country, check out the help article on Google Play Country. You can just go to Google Play Country and you can change it there. And the third one is you can only change your Play Country once per year. So if you change your country, you won't be able to change it back for 1 year. So yeah, this is the information we needed to share with you when you couldn't complete your purchase. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.